So how do we actually connect our GameSir Tarantula Pro here, as you can see, to our PlayStation 5? Well, to be able to connect it here to your PlayStation 5, what we need to do firstly is to grab our original PlayStation controller and go into settings on our PlayStation here. And here on settings, we need to scroll down and click on accessories. And then what you need to do in here is to just simply click on controller and general here, as you can see, and then click on the communication method. Make sure this one is set to, instead of use Bluetooth, it needs to be set to use USB cable. So to make this work, you will need this adapter. I have linked it, by the way, in the description below. And just a quick disclosure, it is an Amazon affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you buy through it at no extra cost to you, just so you know, if you just want to support my channel, obviously. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to grab this right here, the adapter, and I'm going to insert it at the back of my PlayStation. So we're going to insert it at the back here real quick. So I'm just gonna insert it. You can see it needs to go right here. So I'm just gonna insert it here real quick. And then what you need to do as well is to grab one of those adapters here that you should have gotten when you purchased the GameSir Tarantula Pro. So this is this adapter here that needs to go on the back of this one right here. So I'm just gonna insert it here real quick. You can see now when it's inserted and it's going to blink like that, but we need to actually put it in pairing mode, and you do so by clicking and holding until it blinks really fast like this, as you can see. So now what we need to do is to put our GameSir Tarantula Pro into pairing mode, and you do so by clicking on this button together with this one right here at the same time. You can see now this 4 right here will start to blink. So now I'm just going to also click on this button right here and hold, so that this lights blink really fast here, as you can see. So now when it blinks really fast, it's gonna look for that specific adapter. So we need to just wait a couple of seconds for it to find that specific adapter. So now when it actually have found it here, as you can see, what I need to do now is to just simply choose a profile that I'm going to play on. So I'm just gonna play on this profile here. And you can see it now totally works to use the controller here. So now you can see that the controller totally works here now on my PlayStation 5 without any problems. So once again, you will need to use that adapter that I have showed you before. And if you want to support the channel, once again, I have linked that adapter in the description below. So if you want to get it, I would appreciate if you could get it through my link. And once again, it is an affiliate link and I may earn a small commission, but it's no extra cost to you, just so you know.